how do we transform our life? How do we break away from the habitual patterns? How do we get away from doing things which we regret later? The only answer to this is awareness. What exactly is awareness? Awareness is being aware every moment of what is happening in the external world, whatever events, situations you come across, people you meet or interact with. Awareness is of your internal world. And by internal world, I mean my thoughts, my feelings, my emotions. The world around you will go on as it is. It doesn't stop for you. And where is the impact of the outside world? In your inner world. It affects you, sometimes in a good way, sometimes in a bad way. If we are in touch with our emotions, if we are aware of what is happening internally, then maybe we can change. We can change the way we respond to situations and not react. Most of the times, we just do it out of habit, or we are just not in the moment. We are not conscious. We just do it for the sake of doing it. We are not really thinking. Every moment comes as a challenge and goes away. What remains with us is what emotion we felt, what we thought, what experience we received in that moment. If we are acutely aware of everything that is impacting us internally, and we are aware of our thoughts, our emotions, our feelings while interacting with other people, then that is an opportunity to change ourselves. In a very lower level of awareness, if we are interacting with someone we don't like, that person just comes and says some, not so pleasant words, and we just snap back. And then he snaps back, and then you snap back. It's just a cycle. I would call it as almost no awareness, and it's just a habit. And we take it for granted that this is the way it is going to be. In a situation like this, we are not even aware that you are hurting the other person, that person is hurting you, and it's just going on repeatedly. We need to break that pattern. We need to raise our awareness, where at a little better awareness, I would say, the next step would be the person comes, he confronts you, you also say something back, but later on, you become aware, oh, I shouldn't have said this. I hurt this person. Going forward, when this cycle is repeated again and again, maybe the next time you see that person, you already know that, oh, I have to break this cycle of this hurtful interaction, arguments, and maybe I stop there, and whatever the other person says or behaves, I just don't react or respond the way I would, because whatever you do, it's going to hurt that person as well as you, because you're going to regret it. You will carry that guilt, oh, I shouldn't do it. In the next level of awareness, even before all this has happened, you start becoming aware of why this is happening. Why am I reacting like this? I need to change here. And whatever the other person is behaving or talking, I need to be more kind. I need to be more understanding. And maybe one day I change my behavior towards the other person, and I'm being kind and I'm being compassionate, and I realize that if he is angry, maybe he is, going through something. He's going through some pain, suffering. He needs attention, he needs care. And once we change that perspective with that heightened awareness, things start to change. So awareness is the key to beautiful relationships. Awareness is key to handling challenges. Awareness is the key to looking at a stressful situation in a more positive way. So let's be aware of our thoughts. Let's be aware of how we are responding to the external stimuli. Let's be aware of our words and our actions.